Hello, this is Jerry with Aqua Pool Supply. Just here to go over some do's and don'ts for the IntelliChlor Plus LT. On all the new salt cells and all existing salt cells, they have a flow indicator with an arrow. Flow must be traveling this direction. When you install this new salt cell, flow must be going in the correct direction, and this power cord may not be facing up, because if it rains or any moisture gets in here, it will get into these holes, and then we'll get in here and short out the display or your salt cell. So you can install your salt cell horizontally, or if you're doing vertical, the power cord must be facing down so no water protrudes inside. There's no holes on this side. Later on, when you have an issue, or if you have an issue with your salt cell, the old model, you would have to replace the whole thing. This model has a new added feature to where if your display is bad but your cell is working, you can just replace your display very easily. And this is what it looks like inside. If your display is bad, you can just replace the display. If your cell is bad, all you have to do is purchase the cell and not the display. Simple, very easy to take apart, put back on, flathead screwdriver, and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Please visit Aqua Pool Supply. Come by at our locations at Scottsdale, Phoenix, and Chandler, and Las Vegas. Thank you very much.